Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to teach you how to use Google Keyword Planner. So it's a very good tool to get relevant keywords that are related to your niche and don't have much competition but have a lot of searches. So, so you might be asking, why is this important? Because this is the way that people are going to find you. When they search for that keyword, yours will pop up at least on the front page for them to see. This is how everything thing like Google and YouTube, those are how they work. So if you make a blog or a website for YouTube, I mean for Google, or make a video for YouTube, you need to find good keywords that people are searching for, but don't have a lot of competition. Because if they have a lot of competition, your video or blog may be on the front, but then the next day may be like on the fifth page because of so many people are making new and new videos with that keyword. So, so this is how we find the keywords. We go into Google Keyword Planner. You sign up, create an account. Um, Sometimes you might have to input your credit card, but you don't pay anything. It's just you put your credit card, but you don't really pay for anything. You could take it out as soon as you're done. So then next is discover new keyword. Then you type the keyword that you want. So let's say we are in the fitness niche. We could straight up type fitness, or type something like how to, or no, we type something specific like a workout, like um, or no, we could do lose weight, lose weight. Let's say for example, we could add more than one keyword as you can see here, but let's just try that out to see what we get. So what pops up, and just one sec, it's loading up. Okay, so as you can see here in the top, it shows the mobile search and just the total search, which is desktop and mobile. And then if you scroll down here, it shows you keywords. There are different types here, as you can see. Weight loss diets, about 3,000 monthly searches. Competition is high, so we don't want to go there. Just look for one that has a medium or low competition, like this one right here. As you can see, it has 1,000 searches and medium competition, which is pretty good. You could look for more. This one has 3,600 and medium, which is also good. And this also gives you keywords right here. So let's say this is this one right here. Exercise to lose belly fat. So we know if we're in the fitness niche, we can make a video or a blog about exercises to lose belly fat. So it not only provides a good keyword, it also provides a good like content idea for blogs or websites or videos. So yeah, it's just a great tool to use to get ideas and keywords that are good and don't have as much competition, so that your stuff, even as a beginner, can go out there and people can see it. So yeah, that's what you do. And when you get your keywords, have about like 10, 15, or 20, and then go to Google Docs and just like open up a new sheet and just paste it there, so that you could have content ideas and blogs there too, or and keywords there too that you may want to use for a video idea or something like that. So yeah, that's how that's how most entrepreneurs use Google Keywords or other keyword sites to get good keywords that they could use as content ideas, and to get good engagement with not that much competition. So as a beginner, you could also use this. This is how you could use it to go above, because as a beginner, people may not see your content right away. But when you use keywords that don't have as much competitors, but have at least a decent amount of searches, you can get yourself out there and get people to actually find you and see what you have to offer. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.